All right, let's get these rods out of the car, huh? Let's do it. Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my boys, Ant and Lincoln, and we're fishing this nice body of water behind us, right? A little unfamiliar, we've never actually seen it. We woke up today and we're like, yo, let's go fishing. We're like, but let's fish somewhere we haven't before. You know what we did? We pulled up Google Maps, we drove 30 minutes, got off at a random exit, found this pond. We're like, okay, let's do it. The wind's howling right now, so I'm really sorry about the mic. Today we got on the chatterbait, we got the bluegill. We're just looking for some ponds on Google Maps, trying to find some new honey holes, you know what I mean? So we're probably gonna post up right here. We got a lot of bank to hit if you look behind me here. So you guys saw my last video, you guys know I'm sponsored by Follow the Action. Today I'm repping the Hog Hunter hoodie. It's the same thing on the back. I can't really show you, I got a backpack on right now, but remember, coats, Slingers, 15, link in the description. Guys, go get yourself some hoodies, t-shirts, hats, all that good stuff. I got the Hog Hunter right now because, you know, I'm looking for hogs, you know what I mean? I'm gonna switch you guys to the chesty. We're gonna fish this place and hopefully we can catch some fish, make this a new spot of ours, and hopefully come back and catch some fish. Ah! Woo! Yeah, baby. On what? What'd you catch it on? Atta baby. First cast? Get in, boys, get in. That's awesome, man. Good stuff, bro. So here's an update. This is like the 6th pond today. Right here, we're walking up to it now. Ant's caught, I think, he caught actually 3 fish. He caught 1 off camera, and then he caught 2 others at the ones we were just at. So, you know, it's progress for catching fish. And honestly, we're just pulling up Google Maps. We're driving down every street. We see a pond, we're pulling over, we're fishing it. Doesn't matter where, no matter what it looks like, we're fishing every single pond. Ant was catching this fish on the white chatterbait, and I've had some luck with my spinnerbait, slow rolling it. He said the slow rolling was working on his 6-to-3 gear ratio reel, and that's what I got. So I'm gonna be slower on the spinnerbait. Hopefully we can pick up some fish here, and this could be the juice. Gotta get on board pretty soon here. Getting desperate, real desperate. All right, pond number 7. We got one? Yo, hey, watch it. Nice one? Nice, that is a good one. Good fish, bro. That's a chunk. Give me the chatterbait. We need chatterbaits all around. The man with the broken hand has caught 5 fish. We've all caught 0. Me and Lincoln. That's a nice fish. That's a chunky one, dude. Let me get a chatterbait, huh? Got a chatterbait for me? Yep. Let's get it. Ant's giving me the hookups. Got some more chatterbaits, some swim baits, or swim bait trailers. I'm rigging up right now. I'm feeling real confident. Real confident. Hey. Got one. Let's go, it's right here. It's chunk. It's a nice one. Exactly what Ant told me. He's like, cast it out there, let it sit for 5 to 8 seconds and slow reel it off the bottom. And we're gonna get this fish in here. Ah, a fish. A fish. Thank you, Anthony, for the white chatterbait and telling me exactly what to do. White chatterbait, he says, throw it out there, let it sit 5 to 8 seconds, and just slow reel it off the bottom. Sure enough, it gets smacked right away. This little fish, chunky one's got a little belly on him, nothing crazy, but guys, what is this, pond number 7? 7? So pond number 7. All right, and I think I'm gonna get a cool picture of this guy in the sunlight and then put her back. What a beauty, though. There she is. Not a big one, but finally a fish. Do you think I should kiss this one? Yes? Okay, here we go. Woo! Tastes terrible. That's okay, because it's the first fish for me of the day. We're gonna get a nice release on her right here. Drop her in. I don't want to fall in the water here. Oh, she's getting ready. Oh, there she goes, and boom! She goes. Let's get some more, baby. And with the chatterbait tips, let's go, let's go. We're gonna get right back out there. Next cast. Like Ant said, just cast it out there. Like he said, let it just sit there for 5 to 8 seconds, let it get to the bottom, and then just reel it in slow. And it seems like it's the move for sure. Walmart, and then they were on sale for $1 each. Oh, nice! Right by the bank. Good fish. That's a nice one, bro. Let's see if I can double up here. Another thing we're doing is, the wind's kind of dead right now, but when the wind's coming, it's pushing at us. And so we've had really good luck on windward shorelines, right, Anthony?
Yep.
And like Ant said, the 3/8 out, right, Z-Man chatterbait. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Tipped with the Kitech swim bait?
Yes.
Okay, so we both got the same thing. Ant had plenty, so he hooked the brother up. And that's what, your 6th fish of today?
Yes.
Ant's slaying. But there's more fish to be caught, definitely. And there she goes. Swims right off. Good stuff, bro. The cripple has 6 fish. There's fish. Another same size. Right after you release yours. Let's go, baby. Woo! Another fish. Same size, top of the mouth. Real slow right off the bottom. We might have found him.
If we get back to back.
Oh God, she's watching, buddy. Oh my gosh. Trying to soak me. Another good fish, bro. Let's go. Let's keep it going. Get back in the water, Cade. This is awesome. real slow. Windward shorelines, chatterbait, money. The fish are just stacked right here. Fish. Let's go. Just a decent one. Actually, that one's decent. Maybe the same size. It's like the same size, I think. Smoked it though. Ant was right. Ant caught 3 like right here. He's like, start casting across. Do the same thing. Cast it. Let it, sit for 5 to 8 seconds and reel it super slow off the bottom. Looks like they're just following it in, and there she is. Nice little chunker. Top of the mouth. What a beauty. I want to get a little picture of this guy. Looks pretty cool. But that's my 3rd fish of the day. So we know there's fish in here, and they're all seem to be the same size, but there's got to be just a giant in here that's willing to bite, and that's what we're looking for. Once again, guys, on that white Z-Man chatterbait, 3/8 ounce with a little Kitech swim bait, right off the bottom. Little largies like this guy. We'll find a way to get her down over here, and she should just swim right off. And boom, there she goes, baby. Let's get some more. Woo woo! Let's go. All right, man. Pond number 87. Let's catch a fish. Dang, this looks awesome. That was a fish. I saw that. I got hit. I got one. No! Did you see it or no? Did you see it or no?
I saw him.
What was it? Like, nice? Dude. You got him?
No! Get him! No!
I'll get him, don't worry. No, I got him. I got him.
It looked a lot bigger.
It's only 2.
It's only 2?
Hey, it's still a nice fish, man.
Look at that thing.
So we're first of the day. At the end of the day.
Yeah. Okay. The night is still young. Better than
That's true. The night is still. We've had a lot of action. Ant lost one and went nuts. I lost one. Sober finally gets one. Oh, feisty. Good stuff, man. I think I need to switch to something else.
Hey.
We're on them, boys.
We had a good day out here today.
We really didn't. I had an okay day.
God,
Ant had a superb day. Lincoln didn't catch a fish.
I caught 2. They were bigger than all 3, 4 of yours.
They were not.
Yes, they were.
Just gonna grab shotgun real quick. All right, Sober, you hop in, buddy.
Yo, get the.
Don't say that. That's a day's wrap right there. Oh, you want to get in this? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, Sober caught 0 fish today.
2.
My bad. I totally forgot. Sober caught 1 fish today. Two. Sober caught 2 fish today. We came out here. I mean, opened up Google Maps. We literally fished every pond we could see. I mean, Ant had a tremendous day. He had 13 fish. I had 4, and Lincoln had 2 at the end at this place. But it was still a good day. I mean, I haven't caught a fish in a long time. It's still nice to get out in the water. Weather's really nice, so nothing beats that. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out Follow the Action, guys. I was wearing Hog Hunter today. Didn't catch a hog, but we were still looking for some hogs. Use code Slingers15. There's a design on the back of the shirt, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that or not. But someone's yelling at me in the car, so I'm gonna sign off, get in the car. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.